In this video, I'm gonna show you how to master the dips. So stay tuned and let's grow your chest, muscles, and triceps. Dips are a powerhouse move for building triceps, chest, and shoulders, but only if you're doing them right. Here's the secret. Bodyweight dips can be your go-to strength, but only with proper form. You want to make sure you're going all the way up and all the way down for full range of motion. You know you are performing the dips right when your elbows are tucked into your sides and not flared out like this. Keep your elbows tucked in. And then after you've mastered the bodyweight dips, because you will after watching this video, let's step your game up to the next level by adding weight. If your gym has like a belt with the chain on it, this is how you could use it to add weight. It doesn't matter, you could use like a freaking a plate, a dumbbell, kettlebell, just stick it through the hole, put it on, and you're good to go. But the same mechanics apply. Full range of motion. Don't go too heavy, kill yourself. Use proper form, proper weight, and just trust the process, guys. And this is how you do it with a plate. Now, if you want to use a dumbbell, all you have to do is just stick between your legs. You get to put it above your knees or below your knees. Same thing applies. Full range of motion. Don't go crazy. And for my beginners out there who says I can't even do a dip, well, try these two methods right here and you will. This is called the dip jump. The reason why I recommend dip jumps is because it will help you with all the mechanics, as I said earlier in this video. And the second one is assistant dips. If your gym has a dip machine, great. I got a video on it right here, you can watch. However, if your gym do not have a dip machine, you could use methods like this. Just use a band. The bigger the band, the more help you will have. The skinnier the band, the less help you will have. So same thing applies. Just get on top of it, full range of motion, and that will also help you work your triceps, chest, and shoulders enough to do your own body weight. This is what I highly recommend for beginners. Actually, this is a really good one.